Good morning, Redmart.
Good morning. We just went to the game.
Yeah, galing sa gaming room, guys. Maaga rin ako nagising kaso, hindi pa ako nag-start mag-vlog. Andito na si Johnny Boy.
Are you cold, Mom?
No, it's nice.
Remember the banana show with the blue PJs?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was on.
Ah, ayan. Tahimik pa, guys. Kasi ang aga pa. Mag-aalas 7 pa lang. Wala pang nagra-ride ng mga boat nila or jet ski nila dito. Tahimik pa rin yung ating mga kapitbahay din. Oh, wala pa sila dyan kasi maaga pa nga. And dito sa kabila, ayan, wala pang tao.
Did you get this on video?
What's that one? What? Yeah. That one, yeah? Yeah, I'll show you later. Uploading pa yung ating guys. Mahina rin ang internet dito kaya hinati ko yung vlog kasi almost 1 hour yung vlog natin kahapon. Nakakatuwa yung vlog kahapon, guys. Yung part 2 lalong ang kulit nito. Ang kulit namin sa kusina. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung alamat ng itlog at asin ni Zaki Boy. The alamat about the eggs and the salt. What breakfast you want? You want? Okay. Alright, okay. Okay, so hindi ako magluluto pala ng dinner. Magpapab tayo kasi is that horse running? Oh, magro-run kasi yung horse ni Dad. So panoorin namin sa pub. Ganda, tahimik pa oh. Yun nga, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung vlog kahapon, tapos kasi part 2 yun, basta abangan nyo pareho yung vlog. Nakakatuwa yung vlogs na yun, lalo na yun si Zach, ang nakakatuwa kayo sa kusina. Hala, what's that?
I felt that.
Kuya, nasa toilet lang si Kuya. Ganda rin ng tulog niya kasi diba si Kuya ayaw niya dito sa bunk bed. So kagabi dito siya. Yung laptop ni Kuya, ayan. So, you're not gonna have eggs?
Only eggs. Can you help me find?
You had too much eggs yesterday. Ayaw mag-eggs. Nasobran sila sa eggs kahapon, kagabi. So, mag-cereal na lang sila. And eto, ipuput away ko. Ay, si Kuya. Kuya, good morning. What do you want, babe? What breakfast you want?
I want porridge. I want nothing.
What do you want, Holly?
Porridge?
There's porridge in there.
I thought you want cereal.
Porridge.
Busog pa si Kuya.
Porridge.
Okay, mag-porridge daw siya. Ito yung, anong flavor? Blueberry. Balik ko lang. Break natin to kasi hindi to kailangan ni... Oh, yan si Jan, nakapag-toast na siya ng ang bilis niya, nag-toilet lang tayo. Nakapag-toast na siya ng bread. Vegemite and cheese sa kanya. Hindi yan nagbe-breakfast. Ngayon nagbe-breakfast siya. I thought you don't like breakfast.
No, I said I don't want eggs.
Yeah, but at home you don't eat breakfast.
Yeah, but we're on holiday.
Pag holiday lang siya, guys, nagbe-breakfast. Pag sa bahay kasi hindi siya nagbe-breakfast. Oh, I thought you already made it.
This one.
Bumili rin pala ako ng
Blueberry.
yogurt. Ito yung Chobani. Yan, Chobani. Yung kanyang flavor is passion fruit. Yan. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. First time natin itong matatry. How about you, Zach? Do you want porridge? Busog yung mga bata, guys.
Mom, it's blueberry.
I know.
Bubble. 300 hours.
Who wants an orange juice?
Who wants orange juice? You want mine? Huh?
Oi, want orange juice?
You want? Okay.
Holly?
How about you, Baba?
Just put a little bit in the glass. Not mine. Theirs.
Okay, this is enough or more?
Is that good? Yes. No.
because I don't know if you're gonna finish. If you want more, you can always come back, okay? I don't want to waste this juice.
Mom, it's finished. My porridge is finished.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Mama,
No, we just brought the... Hala, gusto pa ng Jollibee ng peanut butter. Hindi ko dinala yung peanut butter.
Mommy, my porridge is finished.
Hindi ko dinala kasi hindi ko... Hala, ang dami niyang... Ang dami yung gutom. Yeah. No, more. So dyan, tingnan niyo. Pang-apat niya na tong toast.
Sun here at the minute.
Ha?
The sun.
Yung sun daw, lalabas na soon, sabi ni Johnny Boy. And eto, i-try ko mato, pero hindi pa kasi ako gutom at saka mamaya pa dapat yung kain ko kasi nag-IF tayo.
Oh, boys can do that.
Eto kay Holly, okay na to.
I'll let you do it.
So 1 minute and 30, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Do you want me to put more milk, Baba? Or this is enough?
A little bit more milk, please.
A little bit more milk.
Do you want cherry or strawberries on top?
What do you mean cherries? You didn't get
Cherries, no cherries.
raspberries.
Raspberries.
Can I have fruit for
No, you can have sorbelly. It's too early.
I want
Yeah.
a raspberry.
You have to have something
I want raspberry.
like bread first, and then I'll give you fruits.
I want raspberry.
I just want raspberries, blackberries, and then strawberries, and blueberries.
Okay, mag fruit platter si Lucky Boy. Okay.
I want.
So, ito yung breakfast ni Stack. Tapos lalagyan din natin si Holly. Ano, si Clark?
Just for the
Cheese.
cheese, yeah.
Dala tayo ng sipla kasi alam ko na magagamit natin. Iba yung nila, yung pagka-sealed ng raspberry dito. Hindi tulad ng mga like yung blueberries like this, yung na-open lang. Plus parang siniled siya ng plastic. So blueberries Baba, what do you want here?
I want blueberries.
Blueberries, and what else?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh. There is. Diyan, tapos na siya mag-breakfast.
Strawberries and raspberries. Please.
Raspberries. More. Put more.
Because it's blueberry flavor.
Ayan yung kay Holly. Ayan yung kanyang brekkie. Ay! Pumulo. Sorry.
I'm just sitting here, mommy.
Yeah. Ayan siya. Gawin natin si Sakna.
Thanks, mom.
Welcome.
I think it was an eagle. Eagles in the Wild West. Is everybody alright?
So, ayan yung breakfast ni Saki. Look. Oh. Nice. Okay, linisan ko yung dito. And yung juice niya, o diba? Good. So, tinanggal ko yung mga fruits, yung mga berries dyan. So, nilagay ko dito sa bowl. And si Kuya, ayan, kumukuha din siya. So, para maubos nila yan. Dito si Sak magbe-breakfast, guys, sa labas. Si Holly tapos na. And dala niya rin yung Ayan, Sak, here's your here. Well, that's if you want. Do you think you can finish that one? That's too much. Bye! Si Kuya na sa gaming room na. Doon na si Holly. See ya! Be careful! Alright. Alis na rin siya. Naubos siya, guys. See ya! Watch your sister, please, okay? Okay. Ayan, lumabas na yung araw. Mainit na. What's that, Zach? Andito na sila. Gusto niya ng pumunta sa gym. Yeah. Mag-bis na ako ng pang-workout ko, guys. Pardon? Chinek niya sarado daw, so we need to get key. And gusto niya ako mag-ride ng ng scooter. Ayun, guys, nakabis na tayo. Yeah, bis na tayo ng pang-workout. Parang pula ng ating lip tint. And mag-apply tayo ng Ito.
Now I'm gonna put my
Ito yung sunscreen ko na lotion na din siya kasi may SPF 50.
and my sunscreen is on
Magsiswimming na ang mga bata.
face.
Si Kuya doon. Nakabihis na si Kuya ng pandigo. Yes. Wait. What do you...
I did my face. Just I haven't did my back of my neck and my ears.
Now, correspondent intelligence as the Western Military Alliance makes it stronger and safer.
Why do you look so pretty?
British leaders
Does it look pretty?
as a historic moment.
Thank
now,
you.
Of course, for
Ano lang yan guys? Sunscreen lang yan na yung Lux Skin na ano ba yun? Yung serum foundation na may SPF 50 pero very light lang yung ano nyo guys. Pero parang na-cover nyo naman. May coverage siya.
Why does it look even already?
I know, yung lip tint. I don't know. That's the lip tint, Baba. Come here. I'll fix your hair.
My hair, why would it be my beautiful hair?
I want your hair up. Okay, we're ready. Ay, yung belt bag ko. Yung ating ina-upload, guys. Bagal din dito, guys. Same lang sa bahay. Kagabi ko yun ina-upload, mga 10:30 hanggang ngayon. Anong oras na? What time is it, Zach? 9:07. Wala pa. Sinacharge ko rin yung phone ko kasi low-pat din yun. Ayan, 46 pa lang, guys. So, kagabi pa yan. Buti na lang hinati ko kasi mahigit ano siya, almost 1 hour. So, hinati ko. Siguro kung hindi ko to hinati, mas lalo tong tatagal. Ayan, 46%, 2 hours and 1 minute pa daw. Ayan, busy na yung river ulit. Ayun. Ito yung isda, guys. Oh, na mga nakuha niya. Kinakain ng ng seagulls. Yes, ayan, daming isda dyan. Oh. Okay. Nauna na pala yung boys. And susunod kami. Nag-swimming na yung dalawa. So, punta muna tayo doon kasi mag-ask tayo ng cake kung pwede doon sa gym ba. Wow, mag-gym talaga. Naka-rubber shoes ako, guys. So. Ayan na si Holly. And yung boys, nandito sila. Lalaro sila ng ping-pong. Daddy's Torn and Kuya. Gusto kasi ipakita ni Sakay Kuya yung laro nila ni Daddy. Gusto ni Sak makita ni Kuya yung spin ni Jan nung naglaro nga sila. Yung spin daw. Yung baby girl ko, ayun. Go, baby! Nag-swim siya from here to there. Okay. You alright? Nainitan na si Jan, ayan. Naupo na siya dito. Yung dalawan na lang yung naglalaro dyan. Sak, be careful. Remember, that's a tint, okay? Andun na yung tatlo. No. Okay, baby. Oh, ang init na. Nararamdaman ko na. Hindi pa ako punta dun sa ano.
Behind the frame.
Yeah.
But it should go under the veranda now. We'll get the legs.
Yeah. Hindi ko pa nakuha yung ano. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-as ng key, guys. Kasi yung mga bata. Gusto na mag-swimming.
It's too cold.
Doya! See? Ayan na si Jan. Hinog ko na yung chair ko dito malapit sa ano, yung ano nila, yung fake grass kasi ang init na guys. Ayun na si Johnny Boy. I get it, Baba. Wow. Si Zach gusto din. How about Kuya? Nasaan si Kuya? Ayan si Kuya. Saan na si Kuya? Oh my God! Ginagaya niya si Kuya sa kanya. Oh. Si Kuya, nasaan si Kuya? Nasa gaming room na yata si Kuya. Si Holly na talaga. Si Kuya, kanina ko pa hinahanap. Andun pala siya sa spa. Andun na rin si Holly. Ayan si Kuya, oh. Si Kuya lang yung hindi ginagawa yung ginagawa ng dalawang bata. Yung nagba-backflip. Ayan, encourage ni Daddy. Have you seen that? No, we're having ham and cheese. Guys, 11:48 na. Balik na kami sa cabin kasi gutom na yung mga bata. Hindi pa tayo nakapunta doon sa office. 11:48 na. Init na. Oh my God. Kinuha niya na agad yung ano. Yes. Milk. Alright. Oh, nice and cold here. Ano ba itong ano? Nakakasigulo ba itong hipo nila? Gawa natin sila ng sandwich. Sandwich! Ito yung pangalawa guys. Tingnan nyo, naubos na almost. Okay. I'm thirsty too, hon. Do we have water? Cold water? Please? Thank you. Kakauhaw ang araw. So, ham and cheese.
Oh, there.
Where's the cheese? Later.
You have to try these.
Yeah. We got tomato. Gusto na mag tomato. Lagyan daw. What do you want, Sak? Fritz? Saki?
What?
Do you want Fritz or ham?
Fritz. Mom,
Yeah.
bun Fritz and ham. I don't like that.
What do you want, Kuya?
Bun Fritz
What?
and ham. I don't like them, Mum. The onion ring. No, the onion rings are bad.
Sila like. Nag-open na sila ng chips.
Have the
Later na that
pretzels.
one. I don't want it.
Have the Pringles.
No, later. You have to eat lunch first.
They're bad. Now I'm just saying they're good.
Okay.
Oh, and no tomato.
No tomato for you. Daddy, do you want
That was
tomato?
That doesn't like tomatoes.
Oh, a little bit for
Oh, I
Daddy.
thought you didn't like tomatoes.
And lettuce, Beth?
That,
Oh my
No lettuce.
You do like lettuce,
Yeah, I do,
Zachary.
but I don't like.
This I don't like.
Wait, let me cut it. Mom, I don't know.
Ako na, Sak.
You know.
So, ito yung kay Kuya. Sauce. Gusto na siya.
Now,
Lagyan ko ito ng mayonnaise.
Can I have mine cooked?
Oh, no.
Stoking.
Give it to Kuya.
Okay,
Maybe. He doesn't want to cut. Okay, Zachary.
You want me to try for you?
No. I-try niya daw.
Sorry, Mum.
Yeah.
I want the one smiley fruit
Yeah.
and some ham, tomato, lettuce,
Get the-
mayonnaise, and
get
then
the-
sauce.
Get the lettuce, please.
No,
in the
sorry,
fridge.
no, sorry. No lettuce. And a little bit. No.
Finish that first, please. Ito pa ni Kuya
I don't
muna
want.
yung banger.
I just wanted a tiny bit of mayo, and I'll do it.
Do you want tomato sauce?
Wait, you putting that first? Tiny bit. I'll take one shot. Yup.
Tomato?
Yes, please. A lot of tomato. I love the tomato, you know.
With cheese?
Yes, please.
Where's the smiley? This is for Saki.
No, and some ham, please.
In here?
Yeah. That's how I like it.
Oh my god, you're weird.
I'm not weird.
yeah.
You are. How
Oh,
is it not?
smiley fruits and mayonnaise and sauce. A little bit more.
Ako na, Sa. No, it's
Yup.
gonna drip everywhere.
I like it, Mum.
Okay, go outside and eat
Okay,
it.
I'm
Yours
next.
now. Ham and cheese, Baba.
So ham,
Yeah.
mayonnaise. Thanks, Mum.
Welcome.
Butter.
Last si Daddy.
And some mayonnaise. Ham. And that's all. Mayonnaise. Tomato sauce. I need tomato sauce with it. Tomato sauce is the best.
Then cheese.
Yep, and cheese.
Easy lunch. Easy
And
lunch.
some ham.
Do you want me to cut it or
It's alright.
it's alright? So you go outside with Kuya. Next, Daddy.
That's the last lucky person because he doesn't starve that much.
Si Sak walang, ay si Sak, si Jan, mayo lang, walang tomato sauce. But with tomato. Yung fruit na tomato. And ham. Okay, babe. Oh. Tomato pa pala. Wait lang. Hey, honey. Like,
Please, bro.
oh, you wanna cut it?
I thought you would cut theirs.
They don't want it. Ako mag-chicken salad, cucumber, and lettuce tayo.
Cute.
Fresh? It is. Apat na slice na tomato yung nilagay ko sa kanya. Ang aking mga junakis, andito. Good?
I want bun fruit.
Ah, you want bang frites.
Not here.
No ham. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, enjoy na enjoy sila doon. Oh, sana all.
We'll be doing that.
Yeah. Thursday, right? Thursday, gagawin namin yan. Gusto nyo pang bang frites? Now na?
It's better than that.
Now na?
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Okay.
Cause I think I do